I've been outside about an hour now. It's maybe about 8, going on 8:30, somewhere in there. But before I show you the actual reason why I went and got the camera, let me just give you a background of what I was considering doing as I checked on the garden this morning. But for one, my peas, peanuts, and potatoes that I have planted in this box, I'm thinking I'm going to take these peas out and transplant them. But as I was trying to pull them up, I noticed they're very fragile. So I may just, I don't know. But yeah, I need to get these peas out of here. I don't know what I was thinking. And the peanuts, I may try to find them something else to transplant them as well. Um, and the potatoes, I'll leave them in here and just build up the soil a little more so potatoes can these are sweet potatoes, so they can grow in there. So that's how I'm going to amend this box here with peas, potatoes, and peas, potatoes, and peanuts rather. And something else, I did harvest me more of my sweet potato leaves again before they get demolished by the critters. So I am harvesting as I go, just as I do my turnips and mustard greens, radish greens, or whatever type greens these are. I've been harvesting so many greens, and I love how they just grow back. And what else I've discovered is my strawberries. They used to be up under. They used to be up under this here, but they're growing taller, and I need to find something else to cover them with because I don't want the leeches or whatever to start eating that foliage. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to cover the strawberries a lot more, better, because I want them to really get strong. And my I think it was broccoli and carrots I have planted in here. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, broccoli and carrots is planted in there. And I harvested some parsley, celery leaves. I harvested my celery tops because I want to dry them and add them to my shaker sprinkle seasoning. And that's the basil and the ginger. It has its own personality, doing what it wants, and it's nice. And let me harvest these sweet potato pretty leaves. Yep, because I'll enjoy it. We all can get along here. Okay, and again, I took down a lot of these branches and leaves of this big tomato plant, and I have no sign of any. The ones that did have the flowers on it, it broke. So, but this is just no signs of any type of fruit. And the potatoes, this my harvest I did so far this morning. Sweet potato, sweet pea leaves, celery leaves, and sweet potato leaves. Let me go and see here. And the potatoes, I have a lot of peas. And mainly the reason I harvested the pea leaves is because to be able to get sun in here. But yeah, there are a lot of peas I need to be harvesting as well. Might as well get those now while I'm at it. But let's see. Yes, quite a few on the other side. Okay, we walk on the other side real quick. Hey, what are you doing? You better not be eating no peanut leaves. I know we eating leaves. You haven't eaten any. He didn't like them. I gave him a couple. He didn't. Oh, look at the cucumber. I wonder if I should harvest the cucumber now. I saw a big one up here. Okay, let's see. Hatchet, don't be eating those leaves. Now you're gonna be about bad as the freaking slugs, leeches, or worms, whatever they are. So okay, I think that's enough of the that's another one. Boy, and okay, so I don't know, do I see any cucumbers or any more cucumbers down in here? Nope, not as of yet. I don't know if it's time to harvest that or not. I kind of want to harvest it. It's looking big. I think I'm going to harvest it. Yeah, I think I'm going to add that bad boy in there. It's looking big, too big. Okay, now, let me show you. This is the reason I turned on the camera. Regarding the corn, these tassels have been brown for quite a while. And I know that's when, oh, and see, it came right off. So I think I'm going to go ahead and harvest it. I'm going to go ahead and harvest that because the tassel came right off as I pulled it. Okay, and I don't know. Maybe I'll let them stay on a little longer. Those two, I don't know. Should I get you? I'll leave those two for a little bit longer. But this is what I saw regarding the corn that made me want to go, that encouraged me to get the camera, inspired me to get the camera. I saw one of the corns open. Where was it? Where is it? Oh, there it is, right in there. I saw one of the corns open, and I'm like, oh my gosh. So, break that off. And should I get any others? I think I'll leave. That looked like a big one right there, but I'll let it stay. I'm gonna let it stay. That's a big one there. Bigger anyway. I'll let it stay. So, get these, take these off because it looks bad. Smells so good. Okay, so didn't know I was going to be harvesting like I am, but any more tomatillia, I could take those off, but I'll leave it a little longer. Yeah, I'll leave them a little longer. Still more paper to be filled out in them. Okay. Yeah, I didn't know if, oh, look at, are these, what are these now? Are these flowers or, oh shoot, those are tomatillas. I thought they were peppers, but that's paper. So that's tomatillia. Darn. Anything going on with the pepper real quick? Oops, my bad. Let's see. The main big one, that bad boy broke off yesterday or day before, whenever it was. So, oh, let me check on it. I can't check on it, huh? Whew. Let's see. Where are you, Pepper? Are you holding on in there? Well, there it is down there. Are you holding on? It's still looking strong, but the minute I see it wilting or doing whatever, I'm taking it off and I'm gonna eat it. Yep, it still feels strong. The leaves look a little wilted, but that pepper, it's okay to me. Not yet. I ain't gonna take it up yet. Okay, but now I'm curious to see what this corn looks like on the inside. Which one was the one? This is the one that was open, so but I'm gonna pause it so I can use two hands. Hey, these look like they could have been left on there a lot longer or whatever so they could fill out. But I went on and tasted it, and it is very sweet. It is so sweet. So hopefully the other ones will fill in more or whatever, but it is very sweet. I grew my first corn. Wow. You want some, Hatchet? You want some? You ain't gonna show the people how you eat it? He probably finna go take it somewhere and bury it. Have a blessed day.